What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 93V, hands on. We live right now, man. Live right now at the 93V headquarters, know what I'm saying? And y'all seen the last video when we picked up Corey Box. A lot of people got a lot of questions, man, about what's going on with Kevin and all this old stuff here. Now, I personally ain't finna jump on here and get to talking about nobody. You feel me? And that's just me. You know what I'm saying? If I fall out with you, we fall out. It is what it is. I'm not finna get on the internet and bash you, but I will state facts about the situation ongoing from here on my end. You feel me? So right now what we dealing with, we got this here 6-0 block. We finna do an inventory check, see what all we got for this bill. And I know we missing a lot, but I just unloaded everything last night. You know what I'm saying? Unc had helped me goddamn load up everything and get everything, you know what I'm saying, on the truck or whatever. All right, gang, so we got the tripod set up and we finna get directly into it. You know what I'm saying? I wanted y'all to see this in real time with me. Make sure the visual good. Hands dirty, I already been working. Y'all know we hands on. Y'all really I'm kinda like past this sugarcoating this shit on the cool, y'all. You know what I'm saying? If you wrong, you wrong.
It looks like you lost another one.
We got the second head, and I guess we can start by taking this tape off. Been on here for 8 years. We're gonna have to sand this bit down. Yeah, we're gonna have to sand that down.
you lost another one.
Pull the cam out. I'm gonna give us some more light. There we go. Let me see. There's a little extra help. So we're finna get this cam pulled out. We're just gonna remove the cam gear and the retainer plate to pull the cam out. I'm pretty sure it's the Allen wrench type. Seen the cam jump back a little bit. You know these cam bolts, a little sharp, stubby wubbies. You know what I'm saying? Let off. This cam gear up out of there. Yeah, so we got star bits to pull that out. And it's gonna take me a minute. I'm gonna find them real quick and find my Allen wrenches. Yeah. All right, gang, so I got my little Allen. We're gonna take these out nice and politely. You know what I'm saying? We need to, for sure, ease this baby out. I see that bolt just moved. Oh, here we go. Now y'all heard that. This bolt just dropped down to the ground. This bolt was in the motor. I know I picked out 4 bolts for sure. What's up, baby? You coming to help me fix this motor? Huh? Oh, yeah? I'm gonna get some of these, some of the head stud bolts. It'll help me get this cam out of here. Just need 2 of them. Nah, baby, I'm talking to the video. What you talking about, girl? I'm talking to the camera, baby Zoe. Yeah, I got the camera. Wow. You got feathers. Look like a bird, pigeon or something. Got an F-35. Let me see if y'all can get on that. F-35. 25 TSP Guess that's a Texas speed or whatever. It's 235, 248. So it's a nice size cam, gang. With a good lift. What, baby? Go in the house. You ain't gotta tell me, baby, just go. So I'm looking at these lobes on here. This is a new cam. It's a little pitting right there. Go, baby, go. Just go. He locked you out? Gang, I'm back. I had to get baby Zoe straight. Took a little minute, but we back. So, like I said, it's a nice cam. It got some scratches right here, but it ain't nothing major. It looked like all the lobes good. The bolts didn't do any damage to the cam. It's greased up real good, but I'm gonna dry it off real good and see, check it, make sure it's cool. But it look pretty new. It ain't no, a lot of time when you get a used cam, it'll have streaks all in there. But I think we got a pretty good, decent cam. Next, we're gonna flip the block over, make sure there ain't no bolts just loose up in there, because we know that's what we was going through. You know what I'm saying? The first time, so. Then after that, gang, once we flip the block over, we check it, make sure it's good. We're just gonna start the whole process over, cleaning it up. We're gonna spin the block over with just only the pistons. You know, lube the piston or the cylinder walls down. And like I said, we're just gonna start building this booger, man. It ain't much to it but to do it, so we finna get active. We finna get active, gang. So I'll be getting back with y'all. Oh man. It looked like this baby need cam bearings. I wanna say it do. It's crazy. All right, but like I say, gang, we're gonna see what's up. You know.